ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 183। How many types of pralayas are there?
4.
What are they?
Nitya, Naimitika, Prakritika, Atyantika.
Nitya, Naimittika, Prakritika, Atyantika. In that Nitya Pralaya we have seen. Nitya Pralaya is Sushupti. Now see in Tika, evam Nitya Pralayam Abhidhaya Prakritam Nirupayati. Nitya Pralaya Abhidhanam. Abhidhaya means having explained. Prakritam Nirupayati. Prakrita in Moolam. Prakrita Pralayastu Karyam Brahma Vinasha Nimittakaha Sakala Karya Nasha. Prakrita Pralaya is Karyam Brahma Vinasha Nimittakaha. Samas Vigraha, how you will do? कार्य ब्रह्म विनाशो निमित्तम यस्मिन् प्रलये तत्प्रलय कार्य ब्रह्म विनाश निमित्तकः. कार्य ब्रह्म विनाश निमित्तकः. So कार्य ब्रह्म विनाश is nimitta in that pralaya. And based on that, Sakala Karya Nasha, all Karya Nasha will happen. Sakala Karya means other than Brahma, everything will go, starting from Brahma all the way down. Yada tu prageva utpanna Brahma Sakshatkarasya. This is now in our Vedanta Shastra, we have Krama Mukti. So Krama Mukti idea is explained here. Jivan Mukti is you understand you are Brahma, you are done. Here itself you will get moksha. Krama Mukti is this. Yada tu prag eva utpanna Brahma Sakshatkarasya Karya Brahmano Brahmand Adhikar Lakshana Prarabdha Karma Samaptau Videha Kaivalyatmika Paramukti Tada तल्लोकवासिनामपि उत्पन्न ब्रह्म साक्षात्काराणां ब्रह्मणा सह विदेह कैवल्यम. Brahma ji, the one who is the adhisthata of Brahmaloka and the entire Brahmanda, that Brahma has already attained Jnana. So for Brahma, the Visheshana is given Prag eva utpanna Brahma sakshatkaraha. The one who attained Brahma Sakshatkar earlier itself. And he is also called Karya Brahma. Karya Brahmana. Because he is the Karya of Brahma. So Karya Brahmana. who is Brahmanda Adhikara Lakshana. So, Brahmanda Adhikara he has attained because of the Utkrishta Karma Upasana. Once his prarabdha is over, how long is his prarabdha? 1000 Chaturyuga is 1 day of Brahma. 1000 Chaturyuga is 1 night. Like that, 100 years. When all of that is over, that is called end of his prarabdha. Prarabdha karma samaptau. Videha kaivalyatmika paramuktihi. Then Brahmaji will attain Videha kaivalya. Videha kaivalyatmika paramukti. This is only about Brahma. Now those who have done upasana and attained Brahmaloka, like those who do the Har Upasana, Chandogya 8th chapter, or those who do Prana Upasana like Omkara, as in Mandukya Upanishad, etc. In Bhagavad Gita, 8th chapter, Akshar Brahma Yoga, that Upasana what is talked about. Or those who do Vishwarupa Upasana in 11th chapter. Therefore, in Gita, 12th chapter, Bhagavan separates the two. Those who are Mayyaveshya manoye mam nitya yukta upasate shraddhaya parayopetas teme yukta tamamata. This is one category. And they are, Bhagavan calls them yukta tama. And though the other category, ye tvaksharama nirdeshyam avyaktam parayupasate sarvatra gamachintyam cha te prapnuvanti mameva. They attain me. So they attain me means they will get sadhya mukti. And those who are the upasakas, they will get krama mukti. So all these krama mukti upasakas, they all have come to Brahmaloka. Now what will happen to them in Brahmaloka? So that is given. Tada, when Brahmaji gets Videha Mukti, at that time, Talloka Vasinam api. So let us say there are 100 upasakas who have reached Brahmaloka. But all of them will not get Krama Mukti, because some of them will come back. Who will come back and who will not come back? So that is said. Utpanna Brahma Sakshatkarana Brahmana Saha Videha Kaivalya. All those who go to Brahmaloka don't get Mukti. Only those who have attained Brahma Sakshatkara, means there also they have studied. There they understood that they are Brahma. They did not get distracted by the Bhoga, etc. in Brahmaloka also. So that's why in Kathopanishad it is said, Mukti is possible in Manushya-loka also, in Pitru-loka, Gandharva-loka and Brahma-loka. So in Brahma-loka also, but Mukti in all lokas is by Jnana. So those who have received Jnanam there in Brahma-loka, and they have now Brahma Sakshatkara, Utpanna Brahma Sakshatkaranam Brahmana Saha Videha Kaivalya. Then they will get Videha Kaivalya along with Brahmaji. And those who did not get Brahma Sakshatkara, but they had gone up to Brahmaloka, they stay there and then they will come back. Like how it is said in 8th chapter, A Brahma Bhuvana Lokaha Punaravartin Arjuna. So they have Punaravartanam also. Tika. Sakala Karya Vinashaha Prakrutau Layaha. Sakala Karya Vinasha, Sakala Karya Nasha is given, that is in Laya in Prakriti. That is called Prakritika Laya. सुषुप्तेषु कार्य ब्रह्म विनाश निमित्तक सकल कार्य विनाश रूपत्व अभावात् न तत्र अतिव्याप्ति. This lakshana will not have ativyapti in sushupti. Why? Because karya brahma vinasha nimittaka sakala karya vinasha rupa abhava is not there in sushupti. Here, because karya brahmaji's nasha is taking place. Therefore, all karya vinasha will take place. In sushupti, it is not like that. कार्य ब्रह्म विनाश निमित्तक सकल कार्य विनाश रूपत्व अभावात् न तत्र अतिव्याप्ति. In Sushupti, this Lakshana Ativyapti is not there. Prageva Utpanna Brahma Sakshatkarasya Hiranyagarbhasya Brahmandadikara Nirvahaka Prarabdha Karma Parisamaptau Satyam. Hiranyagarbha, who is Prageva Utpanna Brahma Sakshatkara, the one who is a Jiva, who attained Brahma Sakshatkara earlier. How? Somebody may question. So either because of his Purva Samskaras, he remembers Mahavakya and he attains Jnanam. Or he gets the Jnanam from Ishvara, Sakshat, like how Chatushloki, Bhagavad, etc. is given. Brahmanda Adhikara Nirvahaka Prarabdha. His Prarabdha is that he has to rule the Brahmanda. It's a duty, and that duty means for such a long time you have to be in that position. You will have to go through it. That is the prarabdha. That prarabdha karma parisamaptau, when that parisamapti takes place, satyam, yada videha kaivalyatmika paramamuktihi, then when there is paramamukti, tada talloka vasinam api utpanna brahma sakshatkaranam brahmana saha tatha bhuta mukti rityarthaha. Then talloka vasinam also, those who are there, but only those who are utpanna brahma sakshatkara. समास विग्रह
उत्पन्नं ब्रह्म साक्षात्
उत्पन्नो ब्रह्म साक्षात्कार येषां ते उत्पन्न ब्रह्म साक्षात्काराः तेषां उत्पन्न ब्रह्म साक्षात्काराणां. साक्षात्कार इज पुल्लिंग, सो उत्पन्नो ब्रह्म साक्षात्कार ब्रह्मणा सह तथा भूत मुक्ति, दे ऑल्सो विल गेट विदेह कैवल्य. उक्तार्थे श्रुतिं प्रमाणयति. इन दिस नाउ श्रुति प्रमाण इज गिवन. ब्रह्मणा सह ते सर्वे संप्राप्ते प्रतिसंचरे परस्यांते कृतात्मानः प्रविशन्ति परम पदम इति श्रुतेः. Along with Brahma, ब्रह्मणा सह ते सर्वे प्रतिसंचरे संप्राप्ते. प्रतिसंचर means laya. Sanchara has lot of meanings in Kosha. One of them is samapti, nivritti of everything. So pratisanchare samprapte sati te sarve brahmana saha parasyante kritatmanah param padam pravishanti. Parasya ante. Para means this Brahmaji's tenure is over. So remember, Brahmaji also has to go from his position. You have to let go of things. Now, later, whenever. Kritatmanaha param padam pravishanti. Kritatmanaha means those who have attained jnana. Chitika. Pratisanchare prakrite pralaye. Samprapte sati. Parasya means hiranyagarbhasya. Ante mukti samaye. So his prarabdha anta has come, that is his mukti. Te satyaloka vasinaha, those who are in satyaloka. Other Lokavasis, they all will have to go, but they will not get mukti. They will be born again. Kritatmanaha, Prapta Tattva Sakshatkaraha. Those who have attained Tattva Sakshatkara, they are called Kritatma here. Sarve Brahmana Saha Param Padam Videha Kaivalyam Pravishanti Ityartha. They sarve Brahmana Saha, along with Brahma, Param Padam Videha Kaivalyam Pravishanti. Further, Nanu Evam Tarhi, Evam Anuswara is missing. Brahma Brahmoyam Pralayo Na Prakrita. Then why are you saying it is as Prakrita Pralaya? This Pralaya is Brahma Pralaya. Brahma Pralaya means everything is going in Brahma, not in Prakriti. If Laya is in Prakriti, Trigunatmika, then it is called Prakrita Pralaya. If Laya is in Brahma, it will be called Brahma Pralaya. Why Purvapakshi calls it Brahma Pralaya? He says, where is Brahmaji going into now? Brahma, he is Videha Kaivalya, he is attaining. All the other Jivan Muktas who attain Jnanam in Brahma Loka, where will their Laya be? In Brahma. So it should be called Brahma Laya, not Prakrita, iti ashankya. Tattvavidam Brahma Praveshe api, Atattvavidam Prakritau Praveshat, Prakrita itya. Jnani Tattvavidam, their Pravesha is in Brahma, but Atattvavidam Pravesha is in Prakriti only. That's why it is called Prakrita Pralaya ityaha. Evam Swalokavasibhihi saha कार्ये ब्रह्मणि मुच्यमाने तद अधिष्ठित ब्रह्मांड तद अंतर्वर्ती निखिल लोक तद अंतर्वर्ती स्थावरादीनां भौतिकानां भूतानां च प्रकृतौ मायायां च लयः न तु ब्रह्मणि. Swalokavasibhihi, Brahmaji along with the Lokavasi in Brahmalok. Saha Karye Brahmani Muchyamane Tad Adhisthita Karya Brahma means Brahma. Karya Brahma becoming free along with his Lokavasis. Tad Adhisthita Brahmanda. Tasya Adhisthita. Brahma Adhisthita Brahmanda. Entire Brahmanda. Tad Antarloka Varti. Nikhila Loka means all 14 worlds in that Brahmanda. And all Bhuta and Sthavara. Tad Antarvarti Sthavaradinam Bhautikanam Bhutanam cha. Bhautika and Bhuta. All of them, their laya is in Prakritau, Mayayam. Cha layaha. Prakritau means Mayayam. It is not that Prakritau layaha, Mayayam cha layaha. Prakriti means Maya. Bhautikanam Bhutanam cha Prakritau Mayayam cha layaha. So they all, their laya is in Prakriti. Only Brahma and those who attain Krama Mukti from Brahma Loka, only those people will go to Brahma. Everything else in Prakriti. So their laya is in Prakriti, natu Brahmani. Badha Rupa Vinashasyaiva Brahma Nishthatvat. Badha Rupa Vinasha alone is Brahma Nishtha. Badha Rupa Vinash means only if you gain Jnanam, you will go to Brahma. Then you are in Brahma. Otherwise, in Brahma means you are Brahma. Otherwise, you are in Prakriti only. That's why in the morning class, in Sarva Vedanta, we saw the Sushupti Kale Sakale Viline Tamo Vibhuta. In Sushupti Avastha, he goes to Tamaha, Ajnanam, not in Brahma. I explained that he attains the Upadhi, not Brahma. Why? Because if he goes to Brahma, he will not come back. There is no waking up then. So this pralaya is called prakrita. Ataha prakrita uchyate, ityuchyate. Tika. Mayayam layo nivrittihi. This laya is maya. That is called nivritti. One is nivritti, another is badha. Tatra hetum aha badha iti. Badha is through negation. That is the understanding. That understanding means you are going to Brahma, not in Prakriti. You are going to Brahma means you should understand. Upadhis, that part is Panchamahabhuta. Panchamahabhuta will go back to Panchamahabhuta only. But that Jiva, that Chidavahasa part will become one with Brahma. Because now Upadhis don't have anything to come back. For Ajnani, Upadhis will go to Apanchikrita, Panchikrita, Panchamahabhuta. But they will remain there with samskaras. And therefore, this person in the next srishti will come back with all those things. So there, Chidabhasa also has to come back. For Jivan Mukta, at the time of Videha Mukti, Chidabhasa doesn't come back anymore. Brahmanishtatvat, Brahma Dharmatvat, only once it is needed, twice it is given. Brahma Dharmatvat, Brahmani Tadatmana Sthititvat itiva. So at that time, Brahmanishta means they have Brahma Dharma, Tadatmana Brahmani Sthiti, they are Brahmatmana Samsthitaha. Naimittikam tam darshayati karya iti. Naimittikam tam means pralaya. Naimittika pralaya, now third. Nitya is over, Prakrita is over. Now Naimittika. In Moolam, Karya Brahmano Divasa Avasana Nimittaka Strailokya Matra Pralaya. Karya Brahmano Divasa Avasan. Brahma, Karya Brahma means Brahma, Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha is one divas, one day. How long is that? See, Divasa Avasan Nimittaka Trailokya Matra Pralaya. In that, only the three lokas Pralaya will take place. Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha. The other lokas will not be disturbed. This is called Naimittika Pralaya. Brahmano Divasaha Chaturyuga Sahasra Parimita Kalaha. How long is Hiranyagarbha or Brahma's one day? 1000 Chaturyuga. Chaturyuga Sahasra Parimita Kalaha Divasaha. Chaturyuga Sahasrani Brahmano Dinamuchyate iti Vachanam. And how long is his night? Same time. Pralaya Kalo Divasa Kala Parimitaha. Ratri Kalasya Divasa Kala Tulyatvat. Ratri time and Divas time, they are saman. So how long is one day for Brahma?
Two Chaturyuga Sahasrani.
2 Chaturyuga Sahasra. That is one day. Like that 100 years Brahma lives. So when Brahmaji's one day is over, it is called Naimittika Pralaya. When Brahmaji's entire duration is over, that is called Prakritika Pralaya. So when one day is over, Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha, Loka are all wiped out. Then next day they are again created. Means Bhu, Bhuva, Suvaha, Lokavasi, they have very frequent arrival departure. Anyway, we know 100 years is maximum. 80, 85 means after 50 on medicines, somehow you extend up to 85 and then say, okay, now छोड़ो मुझे. रात्रि कालस्य दिवस काल तुल्यत्वा. प्राकृत प्रलय, so that is, this is नैमित्तिक प्रलय. प्राकृत प्रलये नैमित्तिक प्रलये च पुराण वचनानि. In both of them, पुराण वचन are प्रमाण. टीका you see. त्रैलोक्यम, त्रैलोक्यम भूर्भुव स्वर इति लोकत्रयम. These three words. So what happens? These three bhur swaha, they will go. Panchikrita, Panchamahabhuta will dissolve in Apanchikrita. But higher worlds are there. Bhur swaha, then Mahaha, Janaha, Tapaha, Satyam. They are there. The fire that is produced during this pralaya, this naimittika pralaya, is so much that nobody can stay in the fourth loka. Bhur swaha are gone. Mahaloka, you cannot survive. That much fire is there. So all Maharloka Nivasis have to be temporarily relocated to next Janaha. Urva Swaha Mahaha Janaha. So they will go to Jana. Then when next Brahmaji's day begins, so the first three lokas will be created. So again they will have to relocate. So here, when people relocate from one loka to another, one city to another, one country to another, because of war, because of some problem, too much heat, too much flood, something, there also it happens. But you cannot stay there permanently. Why? Because you are just there for asylum. They will kick you out after some time. You don't have that punya, that's why. Brahma divasasya kim pramanam iti apekshayamaha brahmana iti. So that Shruti was quoted. How long is the Brahmaji's day? नैमित्तिक प्रलय कालो अपि एतावान एव. नैमित्तिक प्रलय काल is also same as long as the days. In the quotations are given on 185. द्विपरार्धे त्वतिक्रान्ते ब्रह्मणः परमेष्ठिनः तदा प्रकृतयः सप्त कल्प्यन्ते प्रलयाय हि. एष प्राकृतिको राजन् प्रलयो तत्र लीयते. इति वचनम प्राकृत प्रलये मानम. In प्राकृत प्रलय, this is pramanam. द्विपरार्धे tu atikrante. Two parardhas are there. Two parardha means purva parardha and apara parardha. So day and night basically. When they are over, atikrante kasya brahmanaha paramesthinaha. Then at that time, no, this Dviparardhe means you should understand first 50 years and next 50 years, like that, 100 years. Because this is Prakrita Pralaya, not Naimittika, Prakrita Pralaya. So first half of 50 years, second half of 50 years. In this way, the 100 years when they are over, that is called Dviparardha. Then Sapta Prakritaya Pralayaya Kalpyante hi. Sapta Prakriti Mahadadi. Mahatattva, Ahankara and Panchatanmatra. These seven, they go to Prakriti, otherwise known as Avyakta. Eshaha Prakritiko Rajan Yatra Pralayo, or Eshaha Rajan Prakritiko Pralaya Yatra Sapta Prakritaya Liyate. There where this Sapta Prakriti, they will become merged in Avyakta. This is Prakritika Pralaya. Who will do vichara of this? What is Prakritika Pralaya? What happens to Brahmaloka? Those who are not preoccupied by what will I eat today and where will I go and what I have to do and how many people I need to meet. Those who don't have these preoccupations, they will do long upasana, chintanam, etc. Other people, they are not worried what a prakritik pralaya. They are worried about their nitya pralaya only, whether I'll be able to sleep or not. Now, naimittika pralaya manam. In naimittika pralaya, pramanam is given. Yeshah naimittika proktaha pralayo yatra vishwasrik. Shete nantasane nitya matmasat kritya chakhilam. Yeshah naimittika pralaya proktaha. This another is naimittika pralaya, where Brahma vishwasrik shete, Brahmaji goes to sleep. So, what we should understand is our prarabdha is also connected with Brahma. When he goes to sleep, three loka have to go. Nobody is independent of Hiranyagarbha. Yatra Vishwashruk Shete, where Anantasane, he has his Shayana Kaksha, there he will go, I think. So then, Akhilam cha Nityam Atmasatkritya, everything will become one with him. Him means in his Prakriti, everything will go. This is Naimittika Pralaya. Now, Tika. Atyantikam Chaturtha Pralayam Nirupayati. Fourth Pralaya is being explained now. Atyantika Pralaya. Turiya Pralayastu Brahma Sakshatkara Nimittakaha Sarva Moksha. Turiya Pralaya. Turiya Pralaya means Chaturtha. Chaturtha Pralaya is Brahma Sakshatkar Nimittaka. That we can get sitting here itself. Sarva Moksha, freedom from everything. Sarva Moksha in Tika. Ajnanena saha karya vinasha. Along with Ajnanam, all karya vinasha. Now, in Moolam, see something important is given. Everything is important. This is something unique. Such a eka jiva vade yugapadeva, nana jiva vade tu kramena. Eka jiva vada in Shastra, like in Brahadaranyaka Upanishad, Anand Giriji's Tika, we have seen in some places this eka jiva vada. And in Mandukya, also eka jiva vada is discussed. Advaita Siddhi, those who are attending, they know. Eka jiva vada means there is only one jiva. And that one jiva is Hiranyagarbha. So when Hiranyagarbha goes, everything is gone. When Hiranyagarbha is, so-called everything else is. So, eka jiva vade sarva mokshaha yugapat eva. Nana jiva vade tu kramena. In bahujiva vada prakriya, there is a krama. In other words, let us say I am seeing a dream. In my dream, there are 50 people. Somebody is doing something, somebody is doing something, somebody else. I am the one who is dreaming. When I wake up, now what happens to those 50 people? No, there is no discussion about those 50. You forget them. This is called Ekajivada. This is the Mukhya Siddhanta. This is only for Uttamadhikari. They are capable of thinking in this way, where they don't think about what will happen to this person, what will happen to this, and what about this society and this. There is nothing. Everything is my illusion. It is just projection in my mind, and because I am there, therefore they are there. Not that they are also there independently, I am also independently existing. In Ekajivavada Prakriya, it is my mind which is projecting all this. So if I am capable of thinking in this way, I will only focus on my moksha, my jnana. You do that, everything else is taken care of. So this is Ekajivavada Prakriya. In that, what will happen? Yugapat eva. Yugapat, because there is others, there are no other chidabhasas. And we have seen this in Ekajivavada Prakriya. There are no other chidabhasa. They are only antakarana. So there is only one Chaitanya which is doing prakashanam. That Chaitanya, when it understands I am Brahma, it is over. In Nana Jivavada, every chidabhasa, like they give the example, one sun, but so many pots, so many pratibimba, all of them, they are jiva. So then somebody will attain realization, then somebody else, then somebody else. This is Madhyamadhikari, etc. for them. Nana Jivavada. So there, a Kramena Moksha, one will attain, then next will attain, then next. It is not all together. So studying Mandukya requires that I think in this way. Otherwise, what is the use? I mean, it is good. You study and then you understand that those who have this kind of ability, they will get moksha. Shruti Pramanam is given, Sarva Eki Bhavanti. Pare Vyaye Sarva Eki Bhavanti. In Mundakopanishad, at the end, this Shruti comes. Here they have given. Another Shruti Pramanam is given in Tika for Turiya Pralaya. Turiya Pralaya means moksha. Yatra tvasya sarvam atmaiva bhut tatkenakam pashyet. Ityadhya Shrutir Adipadena Adeya. So there where everything has become Atma. So then, who is the seer? Who is the seen? What is the instrument of seeing? That Bheda is not there. That is called Advaitam. This is called Atyantika Pralaya. Layatva Vishesha api Vishesham aha. Layatva Vishesha is not there. Avishesha. But still there is some Vishesha. Means among these four Laya, what is the Bheda? He says, Tatra Adhyastrayopi Layaha Karmoparati Nimittaha. The first three Laya, they are Karma Uparati. You will withdraw from Karma. Like Sushupti, daily what I withdraw from Karma. Then the Prakrita Pralaya means Prakrita Pralaya for all the Ajnanis, their Karma are over for that much time. So Karma Uparati. And Naimittika Pralaya, only Bhur Bhuva Swa people, their Karma Uparati. Turiyastu Jnanodaya Nimitta. Turiya Pralaya Atyantika is Jnana Udaya Nimitta. Layo. Jnanena Saha Eva Iti Vishesha. So here, Jnanam is there, therefore Laya. Tika. Tatra Chaturshu Pralayeshu. Among the four types is the Veda. Pralaya Nirupanam Upasamharans Tatkrame Vipratipatte Stan Nirupanam Pratijanite. Pralaya Nirupana Upasamhara Upasamharan. तत्क्रमे विप्रतिपत्ते है. In krama, vipratipatti can be there in explanation. So, tan nirupanam pratijanite. So that nirupanam is done. Evam chaturvidha pralayo nirupitaha. In this way, 4 types of pralaya is being explained. Then later, their krama will be explained, which we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.